Here's how I landed my first $3,000 copywriting client as a beginner. So I started my copywriting journey back in 2019. And since then, I've made over $675,000 in profit and consistently made over 10 to 15K a month for years. Every beginner wants to know though, how do you actually land clients when you're brand new? What if you have no portfolio, no experience, and no clue what to do? Well, after trying literally every method possible to land clients, like cold outreach, freelance platforms, job boards, inbounds, and referrals, I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt, there is one strategy that trumps them all to land your first client online. So if you're a new copywriter and your goal is to make 5 to 10K plus per month, but you're confused on how to land high paying clients, then keep watching, because in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I went from earning less than $1,000 a month as a copywriter for months to landing my first $3,000 client step by step using this strategy and eventually scaling to 6 figures per year. Let's dive in. Number one, step one was I focused on skill before money. Now, this may seem like simple for some of you watching this, or this may seem dumb, but it's crazy to me how many copywriters that I've coached 90 plus guys one-on-one, 650 students, and time again, I see way too many people who watch some YouTube guru video where they said, you don't know what copywriting is? Watch this video and start outreaching tomorrow. And it's like, what the heck? If you want to get paid thousands of dollars a month, you need to learn a skill worth thousands of dollars a month. So that's why from the get-go, I realized if I want to get good and make 10K a month doing this thing, I gotta build an actual skill. Too many people are trying to start this passive income business that makes them 20K a month so they can do whatever. And they think that if they just pick the thing, oh, I'm gonna do drop shipping, trading, e-com, copywriting, whatever, that tomorrow I can still go start pitching and selling that thing. That doesn't make any sense. Do you want to know how you actually build, get 10K a month into your bank account every month? It's you output $10,000 worth of value and beyond that to the world around you. And so the cool thing about copywriting is when you get good, which doesn't take long, when you write copy for businesses, you write their emails, their ads, their landing pages, you can make them lots of money by just simply tweaking the words they use on those pages, which is absolutely ridiculous. But you need to learn this thing. You need to invest in your education. You're here watching this YouTube video right now, so it proves that you're already doing the right thing. But investing into books, courses, coaching, mentorship, online schools, communities, and stuff like that. This is where you start. This is where you start. Right here, cash advertising. This is where you start. Adweek. This is where you start. Ogilvy out of advertising. Get these books. Treat them like gold. This will be more valuable than any textbook you've ever thought of getting through any university or college ever. And you know what? They're $20 each. Go get the books, invest in your skill, read the copywriting books, learn from the guys who have sold hundreds of millions of dollars, some of them billion dollars, like Gary Halbert, Boron Letters book. Go get the books. Go invest in your education. Go get the courses. Go invest whatever it takes, right? People spend $100,000 on a college degree that means nothing, maybe gets them a piece of paper that might earn them 40K, 50K a month for 5-10 years and maybe eventually 6 figures. But $100,000 in 4 years worth of your life for ifs, ands, and buts, nope, and just promises versus you invest a tenth of that. In 1 year, you can build a 6-figure business. How do I know that? Because I did it. I went from $0 to $9,000 a month in 12 months, and since then 10 to 15K months. So if I can do it, you can do it. But the thing is, you actually have to treat this thing like a real business. You actually have to treat this thing like a real skill that you build, right? Just how do you learn how to ride a bike? How do you go so you can eventually go mountain biking or, bike in a, have a race or whatever, or just know how to bike wherever you want to go. It's you have to first hop on that thing and learn how to pedal, learn how to hold the steering wheel, the handlebars, learn how to balance. You're going to fall over a few times. It's going to take some time, but eventually you'll be able to hop on that bike and just go. The same is true for copywriting. You need to spend the time, getting on, falling over, getting back on, pedaling, figuring out how to balance, and then going from there before you try to land clients. Build the skill up first. It's crucial. And once you do, it doesn't take long. You can build the skill in 30 days to be better than 95% of business owners. And when you are better than the business owner, you can start landing clients. Number two, The second thing I did to land that first $3,000 client and eventually scale to 6 figures per year, I became an expert by specializing in direct response copywriting. So like there's lots of different ways you can write, right? Like you might be a writer or have a writing background. Copywriting is not writing. Copywriting is not poetry. It is not literature. It is not academic writing. It's not creative writing. Copywriting is selling. So you need to understand how to get people to take action by invoking a direct response from them. Direct response copy. You say, hey, buy this thing, click this button, and they whip out their credit card and make a transaction and buy the thing. That's your job. So you need to realize that copywriting is extremely broad and you could do lots of different things: social media ghostwriting, ads, VSLs, sales letters, emails, like landing pages, commercials, billboards, case studies, blog posts, because there's just so much stuff. So the best thing you do is become an expert in one area and specialize in direct response copy. So the three main ones I like to focus on and I recommend: pick either ads, sales pages, or emails, and get really good at one of those things and practice that one thing every day, right? You start by reading the books, practicing your general writing every day, and just, writing some stuff, hand copying sales letters and ads. After that, pick one thing and get really good at it. Just practice it every day, right? That's what I did. I started with blog posts. I specialized in that, more so content. Eventually I specialized into email and got really good at that, more so direct response. I made way more money when I switched to more direct response than just content. So pick one type of copy in direct response, ads, sales pages, or emails, and get really good at it. Okay. Because when you build that kind of skill, you are so much closer to the money for a business owner that when you write stuff, sales come in. Okay. So that's the next step. Number 3, I built trust by reaching out to this client, the $3,000 client, through social media. Forget cold email. Just stop cold email. Forget trying to rely on inbounds via social media too. That's not what I'm talking about. You don't need to build some big following up on social media to land clients, but you need to use social media to outbound outreach. That is how you're going to do this. Okay. I landed this client by going onto social media. This is 2019. So there was Instagram wasn't as big then. It was TikTok wasn't even around. Snapchat might have been, but it was Facebook. I was in Facebook groups, copywriting Facebook groups that were job boards. And there's people in there talking about copywriting, business owners who need copywriters and this and that. For about 4, 5, 6 months, I was making under $1,000 a month as a copywriter because I was relying heavily on places like Fiverr.com, which is a cheap freelance marketplace. And I wasn't doing enough outbound outreach to prove myself to people. So this client, I decided one day, you know what? I'm sick and tired of sending hundreds of messages and applications and just getting rejected and this and that. You know what? I saw this guy post in a Facebook group saying hey, I have a fitness website. Can anyone give me some tips on how to improve it? So he literally asked, can a copywriter in this copywriting group give me some help? Just tell me what you would do in this situation. Give me your advice. Give me some tips. Wink, wink. So you know what I did? I was screw this. What do I have to lose? I thought it was gonna be a waste of time. I went and looked at the guy's stuff. I looked at his website. I applied all the stuff I was learning from these books, right? I took the books, all the practice I had done, and I was oh, his headline could be way better. Oh, there's no promise here. Oh, where's the call to action? It's confusing. Oh, there's also no social proof. Where's the testimonials and results? I just took what I applied from the books to his thing, direct response copy to his website, and I opened up a Google Doc and wrote down, if I was the copywriter for this business, if he already hired me, what would I do to fix his website copy? And I just wrote it down. I would change the headline to this, 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 and here's why. I would change this, 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 the call to action, the social proof, the whatever. And I literally just ripped out bullet points of all the things I would do to change it, applying the things I learned from the books and the courses and all that stuff. And I was oh, maybe I know some stuff. I didn't know though. I don't know what this guy was expecting, but I just wrote up 10 tips down or whatever. Here's what I would do to change it. And I just DM'd the guy, here's what I would do. Well, guess what happened? And I went to bed that night thinking this is probably a waste of time. He's probably got 15 other people who are way more experts, pro copywriters who know what they're doing. I'm a beginner. I don't know what I'm doing. I made $1,000 a month. What do I know? Well, I woke up the next day. Guess what happened? I look at my messages. I got a DM back from him. Wow, Brandon, thank you so much for this. This is so helpful. all these tips make so much sense. Like, hey, sweet, can we hop on a call? And I was like, what? Like, hop on a call. This guy wants to talk to me? Like, he likes my advice? Like, what the heck? And now I'm like, oh my goodness, I gotta get on a call. Like, I've never done that. What the heck do I do? And then we got on the call. It wasn't scary. I just said, like, yeah, man. He just said, like, can you explain some of this stuff? So I just walked through the audit. Here's what I would do. Here's the reasons why. Oh, it makes a lot of sense. Great. Like, can you help me like rewrite the thing? He didn't even have a promise that he was going to hire someone. He just asked for advice. I gave it for free to help him. Next, he's pitching me, right? So now I'm like, yeah, man, like for sure. Like, I'll send you over like what I can do for you in my packages. Next thing you know, remember, I was making under $1,000 a month. I sent over the rates. He says, sounds good. Boom. Next note, $3,400 in my pocket. Just like that. I tripled my income just with one outreach. One outreach to one person. I spent a little more time on that outreach than I would with just random applications that I was ripping out, copy paste template outreaches that most people teach to do, which is psycho. Like, I just helped the guy and I gave him advice. Next thing you know, I tripled my income. That month I ended up making $5,000 total, 5x my income from one month to the next. Made a full-time income finally. A few months later, I was making $9,000 a month by the 12-month mark. And since then, I made 10 to 15K months. And so here's what I realized was the secret. Number 4, I proved myself by giving value first. So like, I didn't just make an ask. I didn't say, hey, bro, do you need email? Hey, man, if I get a 2-3x of revenue, I didn't start with some weird offer. Like, nobody knows you if you just start going pitching people with your first message. Nobody cares. You don't have any proof of results. You don't have any case studies. You send one message that's any remotely a pitch or an ask or an offer, you're done. Archive, delete, blocked. You're out of the way. Business owners don't have time to deal with that stuff. So what you have to do, what that might have worked before, but it doesn't work in 2025, 2026 and beyond anymore. You need to do something else. You need to stand out in the DMs. You need to be better. You need to do something different. You need to give value first. And this doesn't mean just saying like, hey bro, I think you need like a better headline and like, oh, like hire me. Like, actually give them like a step-by-step game plan. Hey bro, like I checked out your email, like if you're an email copywriter, I checked out your email sign up form. I noticed that it's not above the fold, it's down low. Let's put that above the fold. That means like up high on the website so you can see it when you first land on there. Your thing says like join our newsletter for tips. Like what does that mean? Let's add some more benefits to that. Maybe get a lead magnet instead, like 10% off for ecom or a free guide for a fitness coaching brand. Also for your email itself, I noticed your subject line was too long. It got cut off mobile. You had no preview text. There wasn't enough white space. You didn't introduce yourself. There was no social proof. Let's add a PS in there. You had 7 call to actions. Let's do 1. Boom. Here's your brand new welcome email, by the way. Here's a free sample to get started. And I just implemented all these tips, right? And how long does that take? Honestly, it takes about 45 minutes to an hour. And most people think, well, that's way too much time. Like I got to go land clients. This is how you land clients now. This is the new way to land clients. You have to get on board or you're going to get left behind. Like, give value first. And you know what? This was how I did it. This is how I landed my first $3,000 client after months of doing like cheap $50 to $100 projects here and there and like maybe $200, $300, $400, $3,000, $1,000 to $3,000 overnight. The next month after this, I landed a $7,000 welcome email series in my first year as a copywriter. I got paid $7,000 and I worked for 3 weeks. This was more than twice I had ever made at a 9-to-5, and I did it in less time. Like, this is how you do it. This is what works best. This is what I'm seeing works best. This is what I'm seeing for my students. The 90 guys I've coached, my 650 students, is the give first approach. And when you study the craft, step 1, when you focus on the skill, you get in the books, you get the courses, you get the coaching, you do the stuff, you focus on the actual ability to sell with the written word. When you focus on becoming good, when you actually are good, guess what? This is the easy part. Because you just get to go help people. And you just apply the simple things you learn here, which you can learn this stuff from scratch in 30 days. And at 95% of business owners, you are going to go and approach them and you're going to see stuff right away. Oh, their headline could be way better. Oh, there's no proof. There's no proof here. Trust, credibility. We could add more of this. Their call to action is like, where's the call to action? Let's put that in here. and like a little bit more storytelling, like you're going to see things instantly, right? This doesn't take long. You don't need to learn for 6 to 12 months to do this. In 30 days, you can go from knowing nothing about copywriting to being good enough to land clients in just a few weeks. And this is all it comes down to. Like, they just need proof. And when you don't have a portfolio, you don't have spec work, you don't have case studies of results, you don't have anything to prove that what you say, hey bro, can I write your emails or do you generate more revenue for you? Like, there's nothing that backs that. So you need to generate proof. It's all about proof and trust. You build trust on social media by having a proper profile picture, a little one-line bio, like get a blue check mark, get verified, have a little bit of content there so you don't look like a scammer. Like, I'm not going to tell you to post all day and engage all day. That's not what I'm saying. The social media profile is the new public resume. Just put enough trust there. Look at it like a sales page. And once you do that, this is why it beats cold email, because you can quickly see that they can see you within a click of a button. Nobody's going to do that from cold email and click your website. Go do social media. Then once you have that trust built out a little bit, you prove yourself by giving value first when you don't have any other proof. This is how you get client number 1. This is how you get client number 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and however many clients you want. You want to make $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a month and beyond. Be my guest. This is how it's done in 2025, 2026 and beyond. So go after it. Focus on the skills, right? Just to recap, focus on skills before money. Be patient. The money will come if you build the skills. Number 2, become an expert by specializing in one type of direct response copy, like ads, emails, or sales pages. Number 3, build trust via social media. Put a proper headshot. Look like a professional. Tell people you help people with copywriting. Like, very simple stuff. Prove yourself. Treat your social media like it's a sales page. And when you apply this stuff in the books, you'll figure out how to do that pretty quick. Then prove yourself by giving value first. When you don't have anything else to show, what can you show? You can show your expertise, tips, and advice, entering the door as a consultant to land them as a copywriter. And you can give them a free sample of copy to prove you actually know how to write this stuff. This eliminates risk. It builds trust. It builds proof that when you say after the fact, and they say, wow, it looks pretty good. When they say, like, looks pretty good, you can then say, cool. How about I give you some more advice and see if there's a fit for us to work together and I can help you out even more. Sound good? Hop on a call and boom, you close them, right? That's how it's done. Go get some clients. This is the step-by-step. This is how I had my first 3K client, my first 7K client, my first $8,300 a month retainer. This is how it's done, okay? So if you want help getting your first client, maybe subscribe for more videos like this, right? Click like, click subscribe. I got a bunch more videos on how to do this more in depth, step-by-step. And if you want even faster help, check out my 6-Figure Copy Academy at the link in the description. This is my brand new online copywriting school to become a 10K month copywriter for beginners, for intermediates. If you're under 10K month, but you want to hit that as a copywriter, join the academy. And when you join the academy today, I guarantee that you will get your first client in 90 days, or I will pay you your money back. As simple as that. That's my guarantee. There's no other online school that offers that guarantee. If that sounds like something you're interested in, check it out now, and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks a lot.